So now I am just gonna show you how I blow dry and style my hair every day. You do not have to part it and section it out. You do not have to go through all the motions like I would do to you in the salon. That's my job. Nobody has time for that. So at home, we're just gonna do a quick blow dry, and I'm gonna show you how I use tools at the end that help you make it sleek and stylish and give it that finished, polished look. So first, we start with the basics. We're gonna put some Milkshake Life Styling Texturizing Spritz in. It's a bodifying spray. I like it, it just gives it a little more oomph, especially because I wear my hair curly most of the time, and I will probably be curling it today. So, well, here we go. Spray that in. Get a good amount. Scrunch it. Second step, incredible oil. It's like hair crack. And we're gonna mainly put this on the ends. This is how I keep my hair so long and appearing healthy, because this is gonna help you seal split ends. It's like a conditioner specifically for the hair. So I like to put it in, especially I'm gonna use any type of heat on my hair. So then we start to dry. Okay, now that we've gotten it mostly dry, it's a little bit ratchet. I don't think we would go out like this. So this is the part where you actually pick up your round brush and give it a little finish. Mainly, I like to use this more as a styling tool than a drying tool, because we don't want to be sitting here parting our hair. Everybody gets it tangled in their hair, and then it's just a hot mess. So what I like to do is focus on the front, because that's the most important part, let's be honest. I take my brush, we're gonna get it on there pretty good, smooth it down, and then we're gonna point the blow dryer in the direction of the hair growth. This will smooth the cuticle. It blows all the little baby hairs down in between, and it's gonna keep it from sticking up. And it'll just smooth the top layer of the hair, which will give it a nice, fresh, polished appearance. Here we go. So what I did there, I focused on the ends, and then I kept the brush in it, because when you keep the brush in it, the hair is heated, so it's acting like a little curling iron right here right now. So when you let it out, you're gonna have some nice bend. Another thing is, when you let your hair out of the brush after blow drying it, if you go ahead and brush it out right away, it will take out any of the body that you have just put in there. So you kind of gotta let it cool. That'll help keep the style, keep the shape. And now we're getting somewhere, right? Here we go, more. Heat it up, let it cool. Very important. Let it out. Don't touch it. Now, do the same thing with the bottoms to kind of smooth that out, and then we're gonna section the top and the back. Literally, put your blow dryer down for this part, okay? It's hard to have so much stuff in your hands. So we're gonna section the back kind of from the middle of your head. Take that whole crown part and get it onto the brush. This is how you get the back, that little volume poof. So we want to get all the hair on the brush, okay, like so. Then again, we're going to heat it up and let it cool. Okay, now that we have that part in there, we can chat a bit. The key is you gotta let it sit there for a while, because it's pretty hot. And then when you take it out, try and hold it, keep that little volume there for a bit, continue to cool. if your hairdryer does have a cool setting on it, you can use that to speed up the process, because I know a lot of us are crunched for time in the morning. And once you let it down, you'll see you get, well, not with this lighting. Okay, here we go. You get a nice little volume going on over there, a nice little poof, and it's starting to look more styled. So now I'm gonna just do the same thing throughout the bottoms. Notice again, I am not sectioning anything out. This is just, you know, freehand. And I know this video is probably gonna be around 5 minutes. Normally it takes me even less than that to dry my hair, usually because I'm gonna curl it. But this one today, we're gonna show you that you could literally walk out the door when you're done. All right, here we go. Okay, it's done, and there you have it. I love at the end, I divide my hair in half, and just kind of do a little twist at the ends and let it out. Fluff up the top, and that is a pretty darn good blowout, if you do say so myself. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will be sure to answer them. And upload your videos, upload your pictures when you do your hair, because I love nothing more than to see someone who figured out how to do something that they couldn't do before. So hopefully this makes your life easier. You get your hair done faster in the morning, and you feel fabulous every day.